Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the CDK40 to 206MXS 5.0 fully automatic 4.3 amp battery charger and maintainer 12V, which makes it special due to its ability to charge and maintain 12V batteries in a fully automatic mode, making it perfect for those who need to keep their vehicle batteries in top condition. This product is ideal for car enthusiasts, RV owners, and anyone who needs to keep their batteries charged and maintained, whether for daily use or for seasonal vehicles that are not used frequently. Let me break down the specs. The CDK40 to 206MXS 5.0 has a processor chip that is specifically designed for battery charging and maintenance, with a display size of 2.5 inches and a type of LCD, having a resolution of 128 by 64 pixels and a brightness of 200 nits, with a refresh rate of 10 Hz. The device has a battery capacity of 1,500 mAh, providing a battery life of up to 24 hours, and it charges at a speed of 4.3 amps, with an input voltage of 220-240 VAC and an output voltage of 12 VDC. The charger has a weight of 450 grams and dimensions of 168 by 85 by 38 millimeters, and it operates on an OS version that is specifically designed for battery charging and maintenance. The device has ports including a 12 VDC output and a 230 VAC input, with a Bluetooth version of 4.0 and a Wi-Fi standard of 802.11b divided by G divided by N, and it features special functions such as automatic charging, pulse maintenance, and reconditioning, as well as spark-free operation and short-circuit protection. In real-world use, the CDK40 to 206MXS 5.0 performs exceptionally well, providing a reliable and efficient way to charge and maintain 12V batteries. In real conditions, the device is able to charge a dead battery to full capacity in a matter of hours, and it is able to maintain the battery at the optimal level of charge, even when the vehicle is not in use. The display is easy to read, even in sunlight, and the device is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. The build quality feels solid and durable, and the audio quality is not applicable in this case, as it is a battery charger and maintainer. Real-world reviews praise the CDK40 to 206MXS 5.0 for its ease of use, with many users commenting on how simple it is to connect and start charging their batteries. Users also love the automatic charging and maintenance features, which take the guesswork out of keeping their batteries in top condition. Additionally, users appreciate the compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to store and transport. However, some users report that the device can get quite hot during use, and others report that the instructions can be a bit confusing, especially for those who are not familiar with battery charging and maintenance. The CDK40 to 206MXS 5.